Hi there, I'm Heather from Heather Speaks Out, and today I'm going to be doing a video review and demonstration of the Archeer indoor magnetic folding exercise bike that I just received. So I'm going to go ahead and tilt down the camera here so I can show you the bike, the process of me starting the bike. Um, so right now I'm going to go ahead and start opening up the package here and show you what I have received. The bicycle seat, the handlebar, the little computer that goes on it. So that's the monitor. The instruction manual. And the main part of the bike here. Now it looks like I just have to grab a pair of scissors. So here we have the main part. Okay. Opening up a few more parts here. And then here I have the pedals. And it does come with a few tools that are needed, like the hex key and a little wrench here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up those. And I will show those to you. So here we have the little wrench, the hex key, and on the end of the hex key is a screwdriver. Okay. One more part to take out, which is the bottom stand legs. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start going ahead to show you about putting the bike together. So here we have the front of the manual. All the parts here, the tools and the screws, everything. Okay, so the first step here it says is to attach the seat. So we we have the seat here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the screws and the washers. Okay, so now that I have everything removed, this is the part where the seat goes onto right here. So you're just going to take the seat post here and attach it to into the three holes here on the seat post, like so. Okay, and then grab your three washers that you just took off and go ahead and place them down here. Okay. And the next step is going to be putting back on your nuts here. And once you start getting your nuts on here, you can then grab your wrench that it came with and start tightening them up. Okay, so once that part is done, what we're going to do next is attach the seat post into the frame itself. So here I've got where the seat post is going to go into. And just remove the little lock in position first. And then just go ahead and attach the seat. And I can adjust it later to the height that I need it to. So you just screw this on here. And then you can see the seat is attached. So the next step after that is to go ahead and attach the handlebars, which I have right here. And for this part, you're going to need the hex key. Loosen up the screws here. So once you have them loosened up, you can do the rest by hand. Because you'll want to grab the screw and all the washers off with it. And just one more side. Okay, set that aside. Go ahead and grab your handlebars. Position them on. And grab your screws again. And then once you start getting them in with your hand, then you can go ahead and use the hex key again to tighten them up. Just about done here with the handlebars. Okay, so now that you can see, I've got the handlebars on nice and tight. So the next step after that is to go ahead and attach the computer holder here. So there's a screw. You want to go ahead and loosen that up. And once I have that removed, then I can go ahead and put it onto the handlebar area here. So you're just going to pry it apart like this and slip it over. Okay. Now once it is attached, you will take the screw that you just removed and come here on the bottom and attach it and tighten it up. Okay, so there I have that attached right here. And then once that's attached, then you can take the computer here and slide it right on. And then you'll hook up the cable here. And that's attaching that part. So that's step number 5. Now we're going to go to step number 6, which is attaching the pedals here. So they are labeled right and left. So let's see. I'm going to try to bring you down so I can show you attaching the pedals. So here is the right side, and you're just going to screw it on. And then use the included wrench to tighten it up. Okay, and then just repeat the same with the left side. Just about done here with the left side. Okay, so I got that all attached. So you can see here, this is the pedal. So now I skipped a step. Sorry about that. I did skip a step. I skipped step 1, which was to attach the leg bars here. So this is just about the same as the handlebars. You're just going to remove the washer and the nut here. Okay, there's 1 and 2 here. So once I have those removed, all I'm going to do I'm just going to go ahead and gently lay it down here. And then I'm going to put on the back one here and just slide it in. And then you grab your washer again, put your washer on, and your top nut, screw it into place by hand, and then later on you can use the wrench that it came with to tighten them up. So I have the back on. I'm going to go ahead and attach the front here. I'm going to go ahead and lay it down. Okay, so once I have those attached, the same process, just the washer. Okay, so that is it for attaching everything to the bike. Just make sure every bolt, everything is tight. So we don't need anybody falling off. Especially since my whole family is going to be using this. I like that it comes with all the tools necessary to put it together. Okay, so once everything's tightened, I'm going to go ahead and set it up and readjust the camera so I can show you it all put together. Okay, sorry about the camera moving here, but I'm going to go ahead and try to show you the bike here. So this is the top part with the computer that tells you how fast, calories burnt, all that. Right here, you have the knob for the adjustment for the pedals. Okay. And then down here, once again, was the pedals that I installed. Then you have the seat. So that is the bike all in all put together. This bike is pretty neat. It's going to tell me how far I've gone, how many calories I burnt, and since it's foldable, it's not going to take up a lot of space in my home. So other than that, there's not much more to show you or tell you. I hope you have enjoyed my review and my demonstration on how to put the Archeer indoor magnetic folding bike together. I'm going to go ahead and put this thing to great use right now. I did receive this product at a discount in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. And I hope you all have a good night. Hi there, I'm Heather from Heather Speaks Out, and today I'm going to be doing a video review and demonstration of the Archeer indoor magnetic folding exercise bike that I just received. So I'm going to go ahead and tilt down the camera here so I can show you the bike, the process of me starting the bike. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start opening up the package here and show you what I received. The bicycle seat, the handlebar, the little computer that goes on it. So that's the monitor. The instruction manual. the main part of the bike here. Now it looks like I just have to grab a pair of scissors.